Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix iPhone camera black dot issues using a few simple methods you can try yourself. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Step 3. Scroll down and enable the lens correction option. This helps reduce distortion in your pictures, which could be causing the black dot. Step 4. Take a soft, clean cloth and gently wipe your camera lens. Dirt or smudges can sometimes create dark spots or visual interference. Step 5. If your phone has a case, remove it and try taking a picture again. Some cases can block part of the lens and cause black dots to appear. Method 2. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. We'll now check for any pending software updates that might fix the issue. Step 2. Tap on General to access more system-related options. Step 3. Tap on Software Update and see if a new update is available. Updates often contain bug fixes that can solve camera issues. Step 4. If you see a new update, download and install it. Once it's done, try using your camera to see if the problem is resolved. Method 3. Step 1. Go back to the Settings app on your iPhone. This method will help reset your settings without deleting your data. Step 2. Tap on General again to open the General Settings menu. Step 3. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. This area helps you reset various settings on your device. Step 4. Tap on Reset to bring up the reset options. Step 5. Choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your photos or apps but will reset all system preferences, which could fix the issue. If the problem still remains, it's likely a hardware issue. You may need to get your camera professionally cleaned or even replaced. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.